A clean AMR runs cooler, performs better, and lasts longer. When it's time to clean your machine, here are the practical steps and guidelines. It's recommended you blow off the AMR with a backpack blower throughout the workday. If you're mowing tall grass, dry debris, or dusty terrain, clean it more often, even mid-shift. Anytime you see significant buildup, clear it off. You can clean the machine using mild soap and water with a standard garden hose. A pressure washer may also be used on the deck and tires, but keep high-pressure spray away from the computer and sensors. Keep sensors and electrical connectors clean and clear of heavy debris. If excessive mud or buildup collects on the LiDAR or camera housings, gently wipe them clean with a soft cloth to maintain optimal performance. If you work in wet conditions or around salt, apply light lubrication to exposed metal parts. It helps prevent rust and keeps everything moving smoothly. Maintain your AMR just as you would any commercial mower. A simple daily blow-off to remove grass and debris helps keep systems clear and operating smoothly. Stay consistent with that routine, and the machine will be ready for whatever the day demands. Thanks for choosing RC Mowers, where we're redefining the business of mowing.